Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Kyle today, and today we're going to show you his Hoover 1334. This was the first Hoover to actually have a paper bag in it.
Can you show them in the bottom? It's got a whip there.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this one here we bought last year, and it was a stage prop, and it was all black and greasy and awful.
There, in the bottom.
I think to clean it, I must have gone through half a bottle of Cif cream to get all the grease off it. The bag's never been washed. I had a few holes in it. As you can see, it matches the pink constellations that were quite popular, which Carl has one of them, which is going to come up later on. This machine was out in 1958 and was discontinued in 1962.
Now?
And the main difference is it's made of metal and it's painted. The on switch is like a square instead of a circle. It's got the classic style belt, and it's got a metal fan with it. Yeah, it's got a metal fan in it as well. This machine is due a rebuild now, and I think so. It's a little bit noisy. And there it is. The bag has a clip on it, like the old style vacuums.
So I thought I would show
Turn
you
that one off.
vacuums I've got at the moment.
Oh, that was that one.
I know you do, but
Why?
Because I'll show them where the bag is in it. You slide this off,
In
and inside there
is
is a Hoover paper bag.
do the second back.
my videos, because your dad's told me, and yeah, I'll look at my vacuums.
Oh, there it is. That's the 1334. Carl's very excited because he's just watched Pneumatic Rules video.
You do have a James. James.
Gonna say bye for now, Kyle.
Bye.
And what else you gonna say?
What?
I've got a DC-14.
Please.
We're starting now.
Right.
The electric grill.
Constellation.